So here we are, it's Mr. Drew, and we're here outside my education center in Poland, the new facility. These are all tropical plants. They're going to be going inside, but we have so much work going inside, and they're pretty big and bulky. So we figured we'll let them get some sunshine outside, and a lot of these leaves need to be dusted off anyhow. So we figured I'd come out and water them. But as many of you might have seen from previous videos, or if you've ever visited, you will see that we have lots of plants. I love plants, like anything with nature I love. And so we are going to not only have plants inside, but eventually out here we're going to have planters. We're going to be setting up a grow station where we're going to grow vegetables to help feed our tortoises. We're going to have hydroponics, aquaponics. We are going to have raised beds. We're going to have composting going on. Worm composting, regular composting, outdoor, indoor, all kinds of things, because I want to show people that you can grow your own food, that we have opportunities. We want to work with the Poland Garden Club and hopefully get some, get some work with them. We want to bring in raising mushrooms. There's a lot of things we want to do. And so we are going to have a planting station where kids will be able to plant stuff, and we're very excited about that. So kids will be able to plant their stuff and take something home with them. Hopefully maybe Lowe's and Home Depot will donate clay flower pots, and the kids can paint them, decorate them, then we can plant them. So there's all kinds of things we want to do, and we're going to be doing here in Poland. But the key thing is teaching sustainability. And that's what we want to do, is help people understand that you can grow stuff at home. And I'm not just talking houseplants, I'm talking food. That's what we want to do. Grow food for our animals, maybe even grow some for the food pantry. But whatever we can do, we want to help, and we're excited. So make sure you tune in, check out my website, check out my other videos, and subscribe to this channel. Give us a big thumbs up, and make sure you turn on those notifications for all the changes coming our way. And back off, kid, back off. Anyhow, sorry. Well, that backfired. Woo, George is wet. All right, well, anyhow, thank you, everybody, and remember, peace and love in these wild times.